Welcome to our channel, where we bring you practical gardening tips and tricks to help you cultivate your own fresh produce right at home.
In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to grow delicious ladyfingers, also known as okra.
Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this guide will equip you with all the knowledge you need to successfully grow ladyfingers in your own backyard.
So let's get started.
Step 1. Choosing the right location.
The first step in growing ladyfingers is selecting the perfect location for your garden. Ladyfingers thrive in warm, sunny areas, so choose a spot in your yard that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Additionally, make sure the soil is well draining and rich in organic matter. Raised beds or containers are excellent options if you have limited space or poor soil quality. Step 2. Preparing the soil. Once you've chosen your garden location, it's time to prepare the soil.
Start by loosening the soil to a depth of about 8 to 10 inches using a garden fork or tiller. Remove any weeds, rocks, or debris that may inhibit the growth of your ladyfingers.
Then, amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure to improve its fertility and texture. A soil pH between 6.0 and 7.0 is ideal for ladyfinger cultivation, so consider testing your soil and making any necessary adjustments.
Step 3. Planting ladyfinger seeds. Now that your soil is prepared, it's time to plant your ladyfinger seeds.
Ladyfingers can be grown directly from seeds or transplanted as seedlings, depending on your preference. If starting from seeds, sow them directly into the soil at a depth of about 1 inch, spacing them 12 to 18 inches apart in rows that are 2 to 3 feet apart. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged to encourage germination. If transplanting seedlings, wait until after the last frost date in your area and space them according to the same guidelines.
Step 4. Providing adequate water and nutrients.
Watering is crucial for the healthy growth of ladyfingers, especially during hot, dry weather.
Aim to provide about 1 to 2 inches of water per week, either through rainfall or supplemental irrigation.
Mulching around the base of the plants can help retain soil moisture and suppress weeds. Additionally, fertilize your ladyfingers every 4 to 6 weeks with a balanced fertilizer to promote vigorous growth and abundant fruit production. Avoid high nitrogen fertilizers as they can stimulate excessive foliage growth at the expense of fruit development.
Step 5. Supporting and pruning plants.
As your ladyfinger plants grow, they may require support to prevent them from toppling over under the weight of their fruit. Install stakes or trellises near the plants, and gently tie the stems to them using soft garden twine. This will help keep the plants upright and maximize air circulation, reducing the risk of disease. Furthermore, regularly prune away any dead or diseased foliage to maintain plant health and encourage new growth. Pruning can also help improve air circulation and sunlight penetration, leading to healthier, more productive plants.
Step 6. Harvesting and enjoying your ladyfingers.
Congratulations! Your ladyfinger plants are now mature and ready for harvest. Typically, ladyfingers are ready to harvest about 60 to 70 days after planting. Check the plants regularly for young, tender pods that are 2 to 3 inches long, as these are the most flavorful. Use a sharp pair of scissors or garden shears to cut the pods from the plant, taking care not to damage the stems or surrounding foliage.
Harvest your ladyfingers regularly to encourage continued production throughout the growing season. Once harvested, enjoy them fresh in stir-fries, soups, stews, or pickled for later use. Conclusion.
Growing ladyfingers at home is a rewarding and relatively simple process that anyone can master with the right knowledge and techniques. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of fresh, delicious ladyfingers right from your own backyard. Remember to share your gardening success stories with us in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy gardening!